boys and girls. I'm Brendan and he's Landon. We're brothers and we're buddies and we're brothers, but we're still gonna show this movie to you.
Yeah, we will.
We will.
All right.
So sit back and watch the movie.
I think you need to move your table full of food. Here, let me have the food.
Huh?
Let me have the food
No!
on the table.
It's for us.
Well, you need to move it. You're going to spill it all.
I don't care.
Oh, I care. All right, tell us goodbye. It's all the film I've got.
Bye.
Bye. Miss you.